In this video, we're going to walk through how to integrate Profit.co with your Azure Devops account. This integration allows you to fully access the Profit.co app directly from your DevOps platform, and also allows you to link epics as queue results. DevOps and Profit.co will automatically sync for automated queue result progress updates, eliminating the need to switch between platforms and keeping your team moving forward on the platform that works for you. First, log into your Azure Devops account. Navigate to the Marketplace icon and select Browse Marketplace. Search for Profit.co and select. Select Profit.co and get it free. Select your organization and press Install. Then press Proceed to Organization. Select the project you'd like to work on and navigate to Profit.co OKRs on the left-hand sidebar. Select Configure. From this screen, use your Profit.co username and create a personal access token. Press Create a New Token and name it. You'll want to create a custom-defined API token. Press Show All Scopes and select Read Only Analytics. Then press Create. Copy this token and return to your project's configuration screen. Input this token and press Submit. On the left-hand sidebar, you can now navigate to your OKRs tab. Log into your Profit.co account using your username and password. Once you've installed your Profit.co app, you can access the entire platform from your DevOps interface. Additionally, you can connect DevOps epics to your Profit.co account as key results. Navigate to Boards, Work Items, and select the epic you'd like to add. The Profit.co plugin will be available within your epic. You can select the objective you would like to add your epic to here. Select the KPI measurement for this queue result. DevOps integrated queue results can be tracked as increased KPI or percentage tracked queue results in the Profit.co software. We'll add this epic Create Onboarding Flow to the objective Improve User Experience. This epic will now appear as a queue result on your Profit.co platform. Any progress made in DevOps will be reflected in the queue result progress bar. As you complete tasks on the epic, progress will be recorded in DevOps. Additionally, this progress will be visible on your Profit.co platform. Profit.co has a variety of app integrations available for your use so that you can seamlessly incorporate Profit.co into the workflow of your business without ever having to disrupt what keeps your team working effectively and efficiently.